We know that the flow of electron is current, so the material through which electrons flow is are conductors. So if we think of a cylindrical conductor like this, when charge electrons flow through this conductor, there will be the conductor will produce will apply a resistance to the flow, so it cannot flow without any resistance. uh, so that resistance of the conductor, of any conductor, is given by R, that is dependent on few things. So resistance is given by R is equal to rho times L over A. Now rho is the resistivity of the material. It is called resistivity, so it's the material property, whatever it is. Copper has certain resistivity, aluminum has different resistivity, copper has less resistivity, actually it's the best conductor. And L is the length of the conductor, so the longer it is, the more resistance it has. And A is the cross section area of the conductor, so if it is, say, has a bigger cross section, that means a bigger diameter, the resistance is less, which is probably understandable because it has more path to for electrons, more electrons to flow, because it has a bigger diameter. So this is the resistance of any conductor. Now we should come to one of the most important, the basic law of electrical engineering, that's Ohm's law, which says that for any conductor, let's say, also I didn't say that the symbol of a resistance in a circuit is shown like this. So this is the resistance of a circuit, or of a conductor. So Ohm's law states that the current through a conductor is proportional to the voltage difference between 2 points. So I will state it in a different manner. So if we say this is a conductor with a resistance, of course, and from the current flowing from this point, which is, let's say, A, and this point B, the current flowing from A to B is dependent on the voltage difference of A and B. So if the voltage difference of A and B is V and current is I, V is proportional to I. This is what the law says. Now there is a proportionality constant, and that is the resistance. So the proportionality constant is the resistance, which is R. That's the resistance of the conductor. So this is Ohm's law, and this is very fundamental law that we will use all the time. And the unit of resistance is ohms. Ohms, or plural is ohms. It's named after the inventor of the discoverer of the law, which is Ohm, basically. Okay, and the unit of current is ampere. We know that, we have discussed that, and voltage difference is volts, so that's there. So resistance I can be found as V over R. So yeah.